Hello YouTube, today we're going to be playing Flee the Facility. My friend right now is it. So yeah, let's play. There's other people playing with me. They're my friends. We might have to rejoin once in a while, so yeah. Sorry, I have a little cold. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. No! Crap. She's gonna find me now. I'm dead. Okay, I need to run fast. I hope she doesn't find me. Hey! Okay, she keeps on looking at my computer, so... So far she hasn't found me yet. But right now, I am by a computer, so... I need to, hack it. Okay. She was near me, but she didn't get me. Or find me. No, I didn't. I just found it right away. Like I said again, I'm sorry for my cold. Yep. Now I'm the only one and you'll never get me. Yep, I'm the only one. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. And I'm almost done hacking this computer. Yeah, well, there's like 15 computers around this, so. Okay, that computer's done. Now I just need to go to the other one that I got to. Okay, so let me finish hacking this one. No, you don't. Ah, darn it. I am not finding any more computers right now. Oh, I found one. She'll never get me. Like, I'm unstoppable. I keep on finding one. Crap. I was right by that place. Let me guess, you're far away from it now? Frick! No, 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 no. No, no, no. This is not happening. No. Let go of me. Let Let go of me. Hold on. No, I'm not. Okay, guys, I have to rejoin the game. I'm sorry, but I have to rejoin. My other friend who is gonna be playing with us is joining. Oh, and my other friend, she's recording, but she does not have a microphone to use. So, stop. Okay, I'm almost on. Oh. Sorry, my computer is slow right now.
Oh my goodness, that is creepy. That's like some sort of hobby.
No, it's not. Okay, I hope I become the beast. Sam, are you joining? Sam. Okay. Sorry, I was talking to my other friend. He wants to join.
Tell them if they have a chance, they should hurry up and add area underscore Montgomery 69 and do and star.
Okay, if you want, you could look up my account and add me, or follow me, or follow Aria Montgomery underscore. Wait, no, Aria underscore Montgomery 59, and then you should find me and her first time you search us up. So yeah. I'm sorry. The computer I'm using is really lag. I might be able to buy another chest. So yeah. Let's see how much money I have. I have 60. Okay, so I also have VIP. Yes, I'm the beast. I'm the beast. Okay, where are you, Neva? Or Aria?
Thanks for saying my name. Oh my god. You wear earbuds sometimes and it's something to say. Yes.
Where are they? I'm by a thing. If you see green, I'm really close to you. Because my money thing. Oh, where is she? There's already 3 computers down. If I can't get them, I just saw her. I cannot.
This is how you swear.
One down, one to go. Wow, rich gold won't come and save you.
Can't buy me for 11. Please let them buy right away. Please don't. I might put up the screen. I'm just not for that.
Yes, I know. I heard you. Yes, I won. I won. That's so sweet. Okay, I'm sorry guys, but this is the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. There will be more Flee the Facility videos. Bye.